Welding.
Hi, my name is Stephen Hale. I'm the welding instructor here at Green Country Technology Center. I've been in the welding field for over 20 years. My students will learn multiple processes here, from MIG, TIG, stick, Fluxcore welding on pipe and plate, in many different positions and processes. They will be working towards getting their state weld certifications, which is also known as the STEAM card. They will all learn to use many different types of power tools, from the handheld plasma cutter to the new plasma table. There are several different certifications the students can receive here at Green Country. Welding is a field of high demand of skilled workers. Come and join us here at Green Country Technology Center. We look forward to seeing you.
Hi, my name is Colton Pembroke. This is my second year here at Green Country. I have learned multiple welding processes. I plan on getting a job in the welding field after high school. Welding is a field to go into that you can make anywhere from $14 to $25 plus an hour. Mr. Hale has taught me so much in the short amount of time that I've been here. I started out not knowing much about welding, so now I'm comfortable to weld on most types of materials. I highly recommend joining Green Country Technology Center.
Not only do students in the welding program learn MIG, TIG, stick, and Fluxcore welding, but they also design, engineer, and build unique products to solve multiple manufacturing challenges. Students learn to weld a variety of materials, as well as interpret blueprints using math and critical thinking. This program helps students develop the confidence, work ethic, and stamina necessary for a career in fabrication.